Good day, sir. This is training needs analysis driving in situ, prepared by Romulo P. Agnes Jr. Course Proof Edoc 10, Program BTV ed LX3A, Instructor Mr. Don Raymond L. Bermundo. Institutions Camarines or Polytechnic Colleges. Um, Introduction. The training need analysis (TNA) identifies what students have learned and what still need improvement in driving in situ. The goal is uh, the goal is to enhance knowledge, skill, and workplace readiness among BTV FP student. Respondent profile age range 20 to 25 years old, gender 7 females, 3 males. Average in English 85 to 89, average in math 80 to 84. Um, Learning style mostly auditory and visual learners. Competence evaluated, basic competencies, workplace communication, team environment, career professionalism, occupational health and safety, common competency, mensuration and calculation, read and apply manuals, lubricant and coolant use, shop maintenance. So core competency, vehicle maintenance, driving vehicle, observing traffic rules, accident emergency procedure. Survey result basic competency, 100% can communicate effectively and work in teams. Some struggle with career professionalism. Some have difficulty applying occupational health and safety practices. Survey result common competency. Major can perform lubricant and shop maintenance. So 30 to 40% needs improvement in insertion, sealant use, and manual interpretations. Survey result, core competency, around 90% are competent in vehicle maintenance, driving, and safety. Some needs more practical experience in real-world application. Analysis. Findings show strong mastery of basic and core skill. Moderate gaps exist in technical and manual abilities. Continuous training and reinforcement are necessary to ensure full competency. This is a conclusion. VTB 3A student demonstrate overall competency in driving in situ but still need more practice, mentoring, and confidence in safety and professional behavior. So recommendation, number one is conduct additional workshop on technical and manual skill, reinforce health and safety practices, provide hands-on maintenance sessions, um, offer mentoring and feedback, integrate real-world driving simulations. So, supporting documents, training plan, facilities checklist, training record book, progress sheet, documentation and appendices, and individual 10A form, respondent 1 to 10. So, overall summary, the TNA effectively identifies student strength and weakness. It emphasizes the needs for continuous practice, ensuring that learn become competent, safety conscious, and workplace ready. That's all. Thank you po.